Good morning, happy 4th of July. So today we got the brakes in for my Camaro Kamiko. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Right here I ordered the parts off of American Muscle. They came in yesterday. Alright, let's get this box unboxing going. A box within a box. You can lift it, yeah. Alright, so we just unboxed the box. Alright, if it's another box, that'd be, I don't know. Alright, so I did a poll on YouTube on my channel a couple weeks back, and it was yellow caliper covers versus red, and the yellow won. So this is what it looks like. This is what we're putting on today.
Camaro spelled wrong.
Oh, Camaro spelled wrong, bro?
Yeah.
Is it with the K?
Supposed to be with the K.
Ah, yeah, you. So, I went with the yellow because I wanted that yellow contrast. I googled red Camaro with yellow calipers and I really liked how it looked. Of course, other people pitched in their opinion and they said keep it consistent with the red, but the yellow just pops out to me. And so I'm also going to be changing my brake pads and rotors all in one time. So let me show you the new rotors I'll be slapping on. We got the Extreme PowerStop Street Performance Power Brake Pads. Ooh, these are clean. Boom. This is for the front. Look at that. Drilled and slotted. Now I don't plan on tracking my car just yet, but aesthetic purposes wise, they look super clean. There we go. On to the rear. Get the rear brake pads. Hey. Looks like I need to go to the gym. Look how clean these look. For the rear brake pads. Oh yeah. Look at all these boxes we have right here. So this is what it currently looks like. I think it's gonna definitely pop out and give it more of a aggressive look. Can't wait to show you guys the end product. We got the Kirby chilling down there. What's up, Kirby? Oh yeah. Don't mind those scuffs. Some road rage person hit me, made me sideswipe into the curve, ruined my tires. All right. Thank you. What's up, man? Had to come to AutoZone so we can pick up some brake grease and brake fluid. Picking up some of this. We got the brake anti-seize, the grease, the brake cleaner, and wire brushes. What else do we need? Alright, that's it. Alright, we got everything we need. Spent about $40. Time to go back and work. So, I forgot to mention, you will need to disengage the parking brake. Then you're going to remove these two bolts right here on the caliper. It is a 14 millimeter. Alright. Oh shit. Remove this screw. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I can. No, that's better to put it here. Clean it up. Can you turn the wheel to left?
Chain snap.
Right, take
So
a brush.
shit goes wrong doing your own maintenance. Yeah. And that's why it's like that's the only thing I'll do is I'll try to clean my chain because a really dirty or rusty chain is. We'll do the same thing in snap or a really dry chain. And so literally keeping my chain lubed and cleaning it here and there is the only maintenance I do on the bike. Otherwise, everything else.
Damn, that's a lot of rust.
Have somebody else do because all the plastics.
Make sure you have something for your caliper to sit on. That way you don't stress the brake line. Alrighty.
What's enough?
So this job ended up turning into a longer one because as you can see the T30 screw is stripped. Dang. So now we gotta drill it out and extract it. So here's a bit of advice. You're gonna have to always hammer torque bits into the torque bit screw. So you use the torque bit breaker bar or stud or whatever, hammer it into the torque bit screw, and then hammer it, and the impact will loosen it. And we were able to get it out. So you take the torque bit into the screw, hammer it, and the impact will loosen the torque bit screw, and it was no longer stripped or anything. So when you're doing this as a beginner, you think you're gonna do it in the first try and everything's gonna go smooth. Some things happen for a reason, and then you gotta figure it out, but this is how it looks so far. All you got left is to put on the tire and the lug nuts, and then move on to the back.
I'm being honest, I think this boot needs to be replaced.
No, don't tell me that.
I think that's why it's so hard to pull out, because it's has some cracks in it.
Twist it maybe.
Twisting does nothing.
No, I'm talking about the nut.
Yeah, twisting it does nothing.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just... Only one set, and it's custom to it because they make these wheel lugs and they're always different. That wraps up the job, the side project we had for installing the brake systems. We got brand new rotors, slotted and drilled, brand new brake pads, and brake caliper covers. So I'll show you guys what some of the videos look like. Alright, I'll throw in some clips of me doing some drive-by so you can see how it looks like. It really looks clean, guys, it really does. Alright, peace. You're stupid, bro.